Hi, Doug from J.Racenstein. We're going to show you today how to modify your new IPS sprayer to make it more adaptable and universal to the market today. So what I have here is my IPS sprayer. Now I'm going to modify it. So what you're going to need for this, you're going to need a hammer, a drift punch, possibly a pair of pliers, a 9/16 and a 13/16 wrench to make this modification quick. So what we do is on the IPS sprayer you can see there's two pins in here that hold this on. So what we're going to do, sometimes they come right out and sometimes you need to tap them out. With that done, this part slides right off. Right? So this is what we have right now. So then you're going to take your 9/16 wrench and you're going to screw the end of it, taking that completely out. Then you're going to get a brass coupler for pressure washing, national pipe thread. It's a 1/4 inch. Part number for us is 74-4101. And you're going to pipe, I didn't bring any pipe tape with me, but you're going to pipe tape it up. You're going to get your 9/16 wrench. And you're going to screw it down until it's snug. Now it's adaptable to use all your different tips for pressure washing. That's how to modify and to make your IPS sprayer more adaptable for the use.